Hi everyone! Mabuhay, I'm John Joshua Piguja from the Philippines, and the subject I love the most to teach is secondary sciences such as biology and physics. Hello learners! I'm Sir Joshua, and today we will learn about the layers of the Earth. The Earth is made of 4 layers: the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. But do you know, class, that some of the layers of the Earth have more layers of them? And take note, they are moving. So come on, let's start from the outside and move our way in. Let's go! So class, the first layer of the Earth is crust. Crust is the thinnest most layer and the outermost layer of the Earth's lithosphere. Crust is the place where we all live, and it is 3 to 5 miles thick. Earth's crust can be found on the outer surface, and it is made of rocks and minerals. Whoa! So let's proceed to the next layer of the Earth's lithosphere, and that is mantle. Mantle is the next layer of the lithosphere. The Earth's mantle is thicker than the crust. And did you know that it is 19,000 miles deep? And mantle makes up the 85% of the Earth's weight. That's heavy, right? And mantle is made up mostly of rocks. But it is not solid rocks because of the 2 factors. The first one is temperature. And the second factor that affects the solidification of rocks in the mantle is pressure. So these are the 2 factors affecting the rocks in the mantle. Because of pressure and temperature, the rocks in the mantle is a hot molten materials now, and we call it as magma. We can find magma chamber in the layer of the mantle. Let's talk about the boundary of Earth's crust and Earth's mantle, and we call it as tectonic plates. So tectonic plates are the combination of the outer mantle and the crust. And did you know that these tectonic plates are moving slowly? And it moves upon a couple of inches per year. And if this fault and plate moves, the boundaries of each plate will create earthquakes. Interesting. Let's go now to the third layer of the Earth, and that is outer core. The outer core is made of 2 hot liquid elements, the hot liquid iron and the hot liquid nickel. And how thick the outer core is? It is about 1,400 miles thick. The Earth's outer core creates something called magnetic field. And did you know, class, this magnetic field created by the outer core produces a protective barrier for the sun's destructive solar winds. That is very cool for outer core. Let's talk about now the inner core. The inner core is made up of solid iron and solid nickel. That is so solid for inner core. In addition, the temperature of inner core is around 9,000 to 13,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot. I mean, very hot. So now you know the 4 layers of the Earth. Let us review. The outermost layer and the thinnermost layer of the Earth is called, while the thickest layer of the Earth and its rocks is liquid and not solid is called mantle. Right? The outer core is made up of liquid nickel and liquid iron, and it creates magnetic fields that protects us from the sun's radiation. And finally, the inner core. Inner core is made of solid nickel and solid iron, and it is hot as the sun's surface. So class, this is all our discussion, and hopefully you learned a lot in our fruitful discussion. Thank you so much and have a nice day.